From Sooner Standards, Netiquette in Online Communities, a complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6ICSI01. Students learn to describe and use safe, appropriate, and responsible practices, known as Netiquette, when participating in online communities. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of do's and don'ts, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,